When projecting for classes, selecting the right font size, color, and background is crucial for readability and minimizing eye strain. The optimal font size ranges between 30 and 48 points. The minimum acceptable font size is 24 points, and maximum font size to use is 72 points. For font color, the best practice is to use high contrast colors such as black, navy blue, or maroon on light colored backgrounds like white, light yellow, or light gray. It's generally best to avoid light colors on dark backgrounds such as gray on black, as this can be harder to read and cause more eye strain. The ideal background color is a light or neutral color such as white, light gray, or off-white. Avoid using bright or distracting colors such as neon colors or patterns, as they can detract from the content and make it harder to focus on the information. There are several additional considerations to keep in mind to improve the overall effectiveness of presentations. Firstly, legibility is key. Choose fonts that are easy to read from a distance, such as Arial, Calibri, Helvetica, or Times New Roman. Secondly, ensure sufficient contrast between the font color and background color to enhance visibility. Insufficient contrast can make the text difficult to read, especially for those with visual impairments or those sitting further away. Thirdly, use ample white space around the text to prevent overcrowding and improve readability. White space helps to visually separate elements and makes the content less overwhelming. Fourthly, adjust the line spacing to make the text easier to follow, typically 1.5 to 2 times the font size. Proper line spacing prevents the text from appearing cramped and improves the overall reading experience. Fifthly, organize the text effectively, using headings, bullet points, and images to break up the content. A well-organized layout helps the audience to understand the information and stay engaged. Finally, it's important to test the slides in the actual presentation environment to ensure readability and adjust as needed. Factors such as room lighting, screen size, and viewing distance can affect the visibility of the content. Some specific recommendations to consider include black on white, which is a traditional and highly legible combination but can be harsh on the eyes over prolonged periods. Another option is navy blue on light gray, which provides good contrast while reducing eye strain. Maroon on off-white is a warm and inviting combination that enhances readability. By following these guidelines, you can create presentations that are visually appealing, easy to read, and effective at conveying information. Remember to prioritize readability, contrast, and a clean layout to engage the audience and facilitate learning.